back to the channel. Today, just a quick wheelie session on the pit bike. Super windy out here. The sun broke out when I was at home, so I took off. Let's get it. I'm still concentrating on back brake. I'm just still getting used to it just popping up, making it feel natural. I'm trying not to chase them out at all, but I know it's going to eventually happen before I learn the correct way. It's really important to have a good running bike when you are learning wheelies, because the throttle is everything on it, I feel. So if you get like crappy throttle and you're not getting even throttle, you could loop your stuff real quick. So just being real cognizant of having a good running bike. That's why I got the Makuni. So today I'm using the clutch to pop it up. I'm usually bouncing in first, but getting in at the second and just using the clutch.